Hello everyone, welcome to my life. This is me, Jenny, your heart again. And yeah, today's video is we will go to Resort Beach, guys. So for now, we will go first in the supermarket, a seafood area, seafood market. So we're here inside, we will buy shrimp. And then we will buy also shell. And then crab. So, yeah, sinipag ako mag-video for today's video. Welcome to my life, everybody. And I hope you enjoy. So, yeah. It's so expensive here. Very expensive. Lots of fresh seafoods, dried seafoods. And this one, dried seafood, frozen seafoods, fresh seafoods, kimchi. This is the kimchi. But here is so expensive, guys. Very expensive. There's lots of very delicious seafoods. So we will buy crab. Tonight we will grill crab, shrimp, and shell. But very expensive here. So, ayan. Look at this snake fish. Shell. People. So, ayan. What kind of fish this one? Wow! Scary fish. So we're done buying, guys. We'll go to the resort shop. What shop? Resort and the beach. So after, yeah, this is the second bridge of Korea. So after 15 minutes we will arrive. We will arrive there. So ayan, guys, we're here and then I will show you the view of the pool. Yeah, that's me. I swing. It's so cold this weather, guys. Really cold. Very cold, but it's nice. I enjoy this moment. Yeah, I really have fun. Great memories of me. So I found this one. You know this? This is mango.
A few moments later.
So this is my room. This is my room. I'm alone here. sleeping, and this is my TV. This hotel is very expensive. Then this is the outside view. With dining area. And this area is the grilled area. And this is the kitchen. With my room and then 3 rooms. And then, hi, this is me. Welcome to my life. So, I'm alone. People are in the swimming pool. They are swimming. A little bit, I will go there. I will swim. So, yeah. This is the kitchen area. And then, later, I'll make ramyun. Have also spoon, fork, microwave, rice cooker. They are complete tools. So, ayan. I will make ramen. So, I will show you the outside view. This is the outside view. Beautiful view. So yeah, perfect. This is the outside view of the hotel, and we are here in the 2nd floor. Yeah, you can relax here. So yeah, this place. So hi, it's me again. Jenny, your heart. Let's sulitin natin ang pagkakataon nandito. Pahimusla na nato og sa Bisaya pa. So yan, nindot kayo guys, no? Thank you everyone for coming and for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate guys your love and support to me. Thank you, and sarang hiyo everyone. And to all people who always super chat to me, thank you. So this is the in front of the hotel. This is the in front of the hotel, the view.
Check out na guys.
Yeah, a lots of cars. Sana all my car. So this is the in front of the hotel.
Outside view.
And in the back is the beach and then the pool. Yeah. I hope you enjoy guys. Thank you so much. So we have last chapter tonight.
So,
We
thank
will
you so
win
much.
Gcash. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for coming to my premiere, watching to my live, watching to my videos. Thank you so much, and yeah, shout out everyone. Thank you for the love and support. Babush.